gonna go see Santa.
It's a twofer.
Wouldn't you rather see Satan?
Oh, Mommy, there's a weird puppet.
Oh, look, a marionette is coming.
Ooh.
I don't feel so isolated now.
Hello, everybody.
Lovely.
I'm excited. I'm one of his elves.
Yeah, I was gonna say you look like you work for him.
I do. I do. I need a raise. Can I get a raise?
Either that or shorter strings.
Yeah, true.
Isn't Santa technically an elf too?
Hmm.
Oh, look who it is.
Hi,
Hooray.
Timothy.
Timothy.
Hi there.
Hello,
Hey.
Timothy. Good to see you.
Hi.
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 Timothy. I love you, Timothy.
Do you ever get nervous, Gabrielle?
Yeah, sometimes when I'm out in the field grazing and there's a little thunderstorm coming out there, I can just see it coming in. It makes me a little nervous, especially if I'm standing near the fence. The only thing about it is that I don't mind, because if I'm out there, I'm out standing in my field.
Are you going to see Santa, Rainbow?
Yeah, and I'm scared. I'm a little scared, and I heard the line's really long, and I don't like waiting in the line. I don't like waiting. I'm scared, and I don't like waiting. I get I just get nervous, and I don't like sitting and standing for a long period of time.
You little monkey?
It's Santa time.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that was really good. Thank you.
Made me feel comforted.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
How about you, monkey? What would you like for Christmas?
Well, is it okay to say, Mom? Yeah, go ahead. Well, I want world peace, and I want racial equality and social justice.
Wow.
Be able to do that, Mom? I don't know. That's a pretty big gift list. I know, but I've heard good things about this Santa. What would you like to make, Elf, if you could make anything?
Oh, that's a good question. Probably. Hats.
Ooh.
Yeah. He's kind of crazy.
Very nice.
Mr. Pizza, did you ever wait in line to see Santa?
No, I always get delivered to Santa.
Okay.
In 30 minutes or
Cut
less.
the line. Yeah, Santa loves pizza.